Bullish ETH cost expectation for 2023 is $2,025.32 to $2,331.91. Ethereum cost could reach $3,000 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2023 is $1,458.97. In this Ethereum cost expectation 2023, we will examine the value examples of ETH by utilizing exact dealer cordial specialized examination markers and furthermore foresee the future development of the digital currency. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local digital currency of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that altered the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of savvy contracts. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is energized by Ether. The outline of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as a likely platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. In this way, Ethereum, viewed as the world PC. The savvy contracts are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These shrewd agreements are sent and executed by means of the Ethereum Candy Machine. Ethereum will change to the verification of stake agreement through the consolidation overhaul. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy concentrated verification of work since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum engineers have started planning for the POW-to-POS change. The consolidation overhaul is set for September 15. After this progress, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value expectation 2023 Ethereum positions second based on coin market cap and conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above diagram of Ethereum spread out a sliding triangle design. The plummeting triangle is generally regularly seen during downtrends and is much of the time deciphered as a negative sign. The rising triangle design is switched in the plummeting triangle design. As the value keeps on making worse high points, sliding triangles demonstrate to financial backers and merchants that vendors are more forceful than purchasers. At the point when the cost breaks out of the triangle toward the general pattern, the example is finished. In spite of mainstream thinking, a plummeting triangle can be bullish or negative. An ordinary plummeting triangle design is customarily viewed as a negative graph design. A plunging triangle design, then again, can be bullish. At the hour of examination, the cost of Ethereum was recorded at $1,904.12. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of ETH could arrive at the obstruction levels of $1,917.08, $2,018.27, $2,140.23, and $2,332.23. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to the help of $1,746.55. According to the above examination, on the off chance that Ethereum's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its obstruction level of $2,327.29. Alternately, assuming Ethereum's bears rule the pattern, the cost of ETH could plunge to $1,460.42. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength file of Ethereum are displayed in the outline beneath. The specialized examination marker relative volume is utilized to gauge the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is normally determined by separating the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Additionally, it helps merchants in recognizing surprising exchanging action and changes market feeling. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Ethereum was found underneath the end line. Hence, it signifies a frail volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This energy marker is utilized to streamline cost information and distinguish patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout the course of recent day. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, and whenever laid beneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Eminently, in the above diagram, the ETH cost lies under 50 MAMA, showing its downtrend. Thus, ETH is in a negative state. Albeit this is the present status, a pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the overall strength file. Fundamentally, this examination pointer assists merchants with deciding the strength and energy of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by contrasting the normal additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Consequently, the readings over 70 show an overbought state, and under 30 demonstrate an oversold state. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of ETH is like that of BTC. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC increments or diminishes. The cost of ETH likewise increments or diminishes individually. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized examination pointers and pattern designs. Let us foresee the cost of Ethereum somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 in the event that bulls overwhelm the value force in pattern designs. Ethereum could effectively test and outperform its obstruction levels to hit $3,010 by 2024. Ethereum Cost Forecast 2025 the huge overhauls in the Ethereum environment could convince the section of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately support the Ethereum cost to reach $3,025 by 2025. Ethereum Value Forecast 2026 if Ethereum effectively tests its significant obstruction levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then it would mobilize to hit $3,036. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027 if Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and stands as a superior speculation choice on the lookout, then, at that point, ETH would mobilize to hit $3,045. Ethereum Value Forecast 2028 if Ethereum holds a positive market feeling in the midst of the profoundly unpredictable crypto market by driving huge cost rallies, then, at that point, ETH would hit $3,051 by 2028. Ethereum Value Expectation 2029 assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, then the crypto would observe significant spikes. Consequently, ETH could hit $3,067 by 2029. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030 by 2030. The ETH cost could energize to $3,075 in the event that the pattern force adjusts for Ethereum. Moreover, ETH would hold a positive market opinion and be named as a drawn-out venture with an exceptionally productive return on initial capital investment. And if Ethereum secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be ideal for the digital money. Taking everything into account, the bullish Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 is $2,331.91. Relatively, the negative Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 is $1,458.97. On the off chance that there is a positive rise in the market force and financial backers feeling, then Ethereum could hit $3,000. Moreover, with future updates and headways in the Ethereum biological system, ETH could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $4,891.70 and mark its new ATH. FAQ 1. What is Ethereum? Ethereum or Ether is the local digital currency of Ethereum. Ethereum is a second-age blockchain stage that